Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to activate your Verizon eSIM quickly and easily. First, make sure your device supports eSIM and that you have an active Verizon account. Next, go to the Settings app on your phone and select the option for Mobile or Cellular plans. Choose Add Cellular Plan and either scan the QR code provided by Verizon or enter the details manually if prompted. Once the eSIM information is added, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm activation. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. After activation, you can set your eSIM as your primary line or keep it as a secondary plan, depending on your needs. Finally, check your network status to ensure the eSIM is working correctly and that you have service. And that's it. Your Verizon eSIM is now active and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and stay connected.